What's going on, guys? Rishabh here from TechRush, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy S8. Yes, I just went to the market and bought this phone. This phone is for my mother. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S8 Maple Gold 64 gigs. So let's get started with the video. So here we are opening the box of the Galaxy S8, and it's a pretty nice, good box. Kudos to Samsung for that. And I'm just taking off the wrap. I have to do, mind you, the device is already set up, so I won't be taking you through the setup process. So here is the device itself. I mean, this looks very beautiful. And here is the device. This looks actually very good in the hand, and it is the compact version of the Samsung Galaxy S8 instead of the Plus version. So we'll get to that in a later stage of the video, or sorry for that, we'll get to that later. So coming up, this is the holder in which the Samsung phone arrived. So here it is. This is basically the paperwork. All your guidebooks, etc. are in here. So we'll get to that again later on. So in this box, there's the adaptive fast charging adapter. This basically, it's rated, sorry for that, at 9 watts at 2 amps. So it's basically a fast charger supplied with this phone. So kudos to Samsung for doing that. And next up is the USB changer, or we can get the converter. That's the micro USB to the USB USB Type C here. That's very good. And next up is the OTG cable. It's kind of like an OTG device. That's micro USB A type to micro USB C type. Again, like a converter. So kudos to Samsung for including one USB connector and one converter in the box. So kudos to them for that. Next up is the data cable. This is again the USB Type A to USB Type C. So let me go ahead and just open it. So here it is. Oh my god, that's a pretty damn long cable. So wow, that's quite a kudos again for Samsung. Next up is the headphones. I just unboxed the headphones, so they are in quite a bit of a mess. So they're the AKG headphones, and the thing I like about these headphones are basically the fabric type coating on them, because they will not be able to be bent or crushed in the bag or anything you're using. So that's pretty good. And other than that, we also have the ear tips for the headphones, for the AKG headphones. So that's pretty good. I'll let that be in the box. So here we go. So now I'll just keep this away, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S8. That's the normal one. So I'll just go ahead, and I'll not remove the front coating because there's no temper glass for it right now. I haven't bought it. So I'll just go and remove the back coating. So here it is. It actually whole glass, and it's going to remove this kind of a sticker at the back. So here it is. It is actually all glass, and surprisingly, thank God, I have a case for it right now. So let me just pop the case on. And here it is. That's a pretty neat and sleek case for the Samsung Galaxy S8. And here we go. Oh, it's interfering a little with that. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Here it is, the Samsung Galaxy S8, and it's pretty grippy now. I think it's a pretty damn grippy phone. And let me go ahead and open it. So this is the main screen. As I told you in the early part of the video, the device is all set up. So let's get started with the home screen. Here's the home screen. Samsung's usual, your TouchWiz UI. But before that, I'll get to the technical specs or the specifications. The Galaxy S8 and the S8 Plus, the Galaxy S8 supports a 5.8-inch Infinity Super AMOLED screen. It actually has a 12-megapixel dual pixel camera, and it has a fingerprint scanner on the back, and on the bottom you see the headphone jack, the USB Type-C slot, and the speaker grill. On the right, you see there's only a power button, and on the left, there's your volume rocker keys and your Bixby button. And over on the front, there's this home button type thing, which is a part of the new Samsung Infinity display. And also on the front, there's your LED notifications, your front camera, the proximity sensor, and an array of other sensors. So let's get started. So here we go. I've already set it up. So this is the Samsung's UI, TouchWiz UI, which they call it now the Experience UI from Samsung. So that's pretty good. And let me just go ahead quickly as first thing I usually check is actually the Android version. So it's currently running Android version Nougat, that's 7.0 Nougat. I think it will get Oreo at the end of this month, so that's good. And also it is this is again the app drawer. Here we go, and if some notifications. Sorry for that. And I haven't quite set up all the things, which I'll actually set it up in the later video. And also this is amazing. The Edge new things. You can actually add a couple of new tabs like Smart Select, Apps Edge, etc. People Edge. You can add your contacts over here. So that's pretty good. And here's your Bixby. It's a page like Google now, so that's pretty good. And to note, where I'm using the phone is actually the new version of the Infinity display is looking damn good. I mean, overall, I must say it's looking fantastic. So, and also you can also basically I can go into settings and just go. This is settings that is pretty damn cleaned up than other Samsung phones. So I think it's pretty good. So let me know what you guys think about it, and also let me know, guys. I'll actually test it. I'll test the device out in the couple of video stages, and basically I'll post a full review about this device. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.